Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to easily view your notification likes on WordPress. We begin our process by directing you to visit the WordPress website. Open your web browser and type in the address for WordPress, then load the page so that you can start the process. Once you are on the home page, take a moment to locate the login option, which you can find on the top right-hand corner of the page. It is positioned there to allow quick and easy access to your account management features. After you have clicked the login area, you will be presented with various options to sign in. In this tutorial, you will choose the option that says Continue with Google. This allows you to log in using your Google account credentials without needing to manually enter your WordPress specific details. By selecting this option, you simplify the process while ensuring that your account remains secure. After clicking on the Continue with Google button, a new pane will appear listing the Google accounts you are currently signed into. Here, you will need to choose the account that you wish to use for logging into WordPress. Simply click on your preferred Google account. If you have multiple accounts, take care to select the one that corresponds to your WordPress profile to make sure you have access to your notifications and other details on your site. Once you have successfully signed in with your Google account, your attention should shift to locating the notification bell icon. This icon is typically located on the upper right hand side of the WordPress interface. It is designed to keep you informed about any updates or interactions on your account, including likes, comments, and other notifications. When you look towards that area, you should see the bell symbol indicating that you have notifications ready to be viewed. Now that you have located your notification bell, click on it to reveal the list of updates associated with your account. Within this list, you will see various types of notifications. The final step in this tutorial is to click on the Likes tab. The Likes tab is specifically designed to filter and display all messages about likes on your posts or comments. This interface is helpful for quickly identifying who has engaged with your content and providing feedback. By selecting the Likes tab, you can view all your notifications that pertain solely to the likes, which offers you a clear understanding of the interactions happening on your WordPress site. This guide has taken you through the action of accessing your WordPress account using a Google login, finding the notification bell, and filtering those notifications to see your likes. Each step has been carefully outlined to ensure a smooth and efficient process, allowing you to keep track of your audience's engagement with minimal effort. Following these instructions should enable you to monitor and enjoy the activity surrounding your content on WordPress without any confusion. Enjoy using WordPress and the seamless experience provided by its notification system.